We are living in a world where spending is really encouraged and saving is like swimming against the tide in a river. Note that you cannot find peace by gathering more to yourself, but rather peace can be found in managing what you have better. Are you tired of watching your paycheck or salary finishing before the month ends? Are you tired of really eating from hand to mouth? Are you also tired of swimming or drowning in debt? I feel your pain, and this makes you to even think, is financial freedom possible for me? Take a breath and relax. Let us talk about how to manage your money to enable you break free from the heavy weights of debt with these following 5 simple steps. Step 1: know where your money goes. Track your spending to the least item for 1 month and write down what comes in and what goes out. Do not be ashamed or feel that you are jobless for doing this. But I must tell you that doing this will give you an awareness and clarity to take total control of the movement of your money, and this will really lay a strong foundation for your financial freedom. Step 2: create a realistic budget. The key word here is realistic. Please create a budget that you can actually follow or stick to, so that you'll be able to redirect your money to where it should go, by not giving room for that your money to wander. And there is a good rule for you to follow, which is 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your savings and debt repayments. Step 3: cut down every unnecessary expenses. For you to be able to achieve this, you really need a scale of preference right now, like seriously, that will enable you to focus on the most important and pressing needs and wants that you have, so that you'll be able to trim out the fat and redirect that your money towards building your future. Step 4: tackle debt with purpose. There is something very important when it comes to debt. Debt is not all about you owing, but what should be of great concern to you is how debt really drains your freedom, how debt really makes you to lose respect, and finally, how debt makes you to be a slave to the lender. Knowing all this, I want you to have a clear plan of how to pay off your debt and stick to it. It does not matter how you start. You can start from the highest debt or the lowest debt to start the repayment process. But what truly matters is just start repaying your debt small, small, and regain your freedom. Step 5: build an emergency fund. Ha 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 ha. Knowing that the prices of things are really on the high side in the market and the money that comes in is not always enough, this makes us to always live in debt. Knowing that unforeseen circumstances will bring unexpected expenses to us, this makes it so vital for us to set aside money regularly, no matter how small it may be. Note that Every small amount that you put aside always add up. And before you know it, you have gotten something reasonable that you can actually rely on, and this will keep you off debts. Let me give you a practical example in this regard. Have you had a tap that is leaking in your house? You will see it that it just little drops, but it will shock you if you drop a bucket or a bowl. Give it some hours, you will see the quantity of water that you will get there. And you will see that if you did not put that bucket or bowl there, you would have wasted that water. And that is how dropping aside small amounts, it might seem small to you, but with time, you have a reasonable amount that you can actually rely, and it will keep you off debts. Managing your money is all about freedom. It is all about you having total control. Therefore, start today by tracking down your spending. Make a plan, cut down the excesses, crush your debts, and live the life that you deserve with one smart choice at a time. Note that you do not need to earn more for you to live a better life. But what you just need is for you to master what you already have and keep it simple. I am glad this video was really helpful to you. I have other great content in this channel. Please watch them. Give this video a like. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. Drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any topic that you want me to create a video on, please drop it in the comments. I will create the video for the benefit of all. Thank you. Be prudent. Take total control. Be the master of your finances. And I will see you in my next video.